Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to hide apps on Samsung Galaxy S23 series. You can hide some apps from home and app screens in settings menu. And then how to hide it. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to the settings. And then scroll down. Tap on home screen. Here you will see hide apps on home and app screens, just tap on it. And then select whichever app you want to hide. For example, here I will hide the CapCut app. So, tap on it and tap Done. You can add other apps that you want to hide in the same way. If it's done, now let's see the result. In this phone there will be no CapCut and Instagram app, neither on the home screen nor on the app screen. Just it guys, I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.